When it comes to I, what do you remember? Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here. So keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen. And here you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. So once you are here, you have to go to add your sticker at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours and you might not find it there. So like I said, go to add your sticker at highlights. It's the first one. So there we have it. I only have 3 stories right here in this moment. And from this page you have to click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can go ahead and check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. But after I post the story, I will show you how to get to that link too. So let's do our story. From here you just have to go to your uploads and choose a background photo. So I will go with this one. You can place your sticker where you want and you can choose a photo with you if you like. So from here you have to go to stickers from the top of the screen. And then you have to go to questions. So here you can type in an emoji or whatever you like. Click on the done from the right top corner and place your sticker. And once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. Click on the your story button from the left bottom corner. So I will show you, if you're not able to get that add yours button, I will show you how to get it. Go back. If you don't want to click on my comments, go to super viral at highlights next to the add your sticker. Go to super viral and here you have to click, and here you will find this story, not able to click on add yours button. So from here you can click to this YouTube link and there you will find a tutorial on how to fix this problem. And here you'll find many viral stickers, as you can see, and the YouTube link. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.